Hello, I had a negative experience on a vacation trip to La Guajira a few years ago. We experienced the first negative anecdote of the trip when we arrived because we had not reserved a place to sleep. What did it happen? We did not book a hotel to stay. Where did you stay? We should stay in improvised place to sleep. When did it happen? It happened 5 years ago. Who were you with? I was with my girlfriend. The second negative experience was that we did not hire a tour guide. What was the matter? We did not hire a tour guide and we did not know the place well. How did you react at that moment? React calmly to find a solution. What did you feel disappointed with? I felt hopeless for not planning the trip well. How did that anecdote experience impact yourself? It imitated me a lot, so much so that from then on I plan all my trips well. My dear negative experience was with the food. We went to place with poor hygiene. What did you regret about? Regrets about? I should have asked about the good place. How did this story finish? I ended well. We finally found a person who white is the best place. How did you felt about that situation and how did you react? I felt frustrated at first, but but react calm. And thank you.